Hello everyone. Today I talk about how to develop Uber progress bar. So here I write some code, so it will be helping. So let's talk about code. Firstly, I show you XML file. Oh, that's not. Firstly, I show you the Android manifest. So here you need internet permission. Though I don't take because I just show you the Uber progress bar. But when you implement in like the Uber progress bar, মানে Uber progress app, so you should need internet permission. Now, Gradle file. So here Gradle you should add this compile. Okay, this dependencies. So must needed this. Now I turn to XML file. So here XML file you should need relative layout and layout white mesh parent and height also mesh parent. So if you want to take this you need if you need, but if you don't take it so it's no problem. But here the Uber progress bar have another library. This that is the main. Okay, so layout white wrap content and layout height wrap content. So here I show you the design. Here here is the progress. Okay, now I show you the app of Uber progress what I develop. So here I just develop this. Okay, here so it's progressing like Uber. Okay, so now I show you the main activity. So I just develop the layout, mainly design layout. So I don't take write code any in main activity. So when you implement it in app, so you should learn some activity like others progress bar or other progress view. So it's very simple. I show it in another tutorial, so you should check it. I already showed it in my playlist, so you should show now in style. So if you want to sense if you want to sense this color, then you go here is the style file. So it's in style file. Now you go for open editor. Wait, click open editor. After wait a minute, it's processing. So I just show you how to develop a Uber like app in tutorial series. So first I develop this progress. Okay, so here you also sense this color from here. So okay, if you want to sense app name, then click here. Here you can sense app name by clicking string.xml. And if you want to sense style, so first I show that's style, that's color, then you click, and from this you can change your theme color of your app. So thank you everyone. See you next tutorial.